Hello YouTube, DX Porker here with you. Got a little homemade target here in the backyard. Thought I'd try out my new Ruger Mark III real quick before it gets too dark. I'm going to fire a couple rounds down through there and see what happens. So bear with me. First time's with the gun, so we'll see what happens. Don't appear to be too bad from 15 yards away. Very little recoil on the gun. Nice and comfortable. Like I said, I'm in a hurry just to get a couple shots off before it gets too dark, so might need to do a little fine tuning, but not too bad. Not too bad at all. Well, there's a failure to eject on that Remington LR rifle. All in all, not too bad. Extremely happy with it. There you got it. 20 rounds minus one failure to feed, I should say. It wasn't a failure to eject, it's a failure to feed. Not bad for 15 yards in a hurry. Trying to get a little shooting in before dark. I guess it'll work for now until next time. It is what it is.